Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram followers and following list. Now to do that, you should go and open your Instagram account, and you should make sure that your account is personal account, not business or professional account. So click on your profile picture on the bottom right side, then click on these three lines on the top right corner, and you should scroll down till you find here the section for professionals, and this means that I have a professional account. So to switch it back to personal account, click on business tools and controls, then scroll down till you find here an option saying switch account type. Just tap on it, then click on switch to personal account and click on switch to personal account again, and by this method you will switch the account to personal account. Now you should go and click on these three lines on the top right corner, and now you will have to search for a section which is called who can see your content. I'm gonna click on account privacy, click on it, then after that you should click on this option right here, private account. Just toggle it on, and by this way you will switch your account to private, and this is the only method to hide your followers and following list. Just click on switch to private, and now you will have to go back again, and if you have here in this section followers section and you want someone exactly to hide him from seeing your following or followers list, you should simply unfollow him if you want him not to see anything that you share. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.